Don't go and use palm oil or red oil in your kitchen. That's not what I said. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am back with another video. I remember in my last video I told you guys that I was gonna be making another video to follow up with that one, and if you have not seen that video, I spoke about the essential hair tools for every natural girly. I'm going to link it up in the description, so do make sure to check it out. As promised in the last video, in today's video we're going to be talking about the basic hair care products for every natural hair girly. I know a lot of times we get confused with all these products that people have, all these full shelves of product that you see people using. Please, you do not need all that, because tell me, what are you doing with 5 leave-in conditioners? What are you doing with 3 shampoos? It's too much for you and too much for your hair. You don't need all that. Stay to the end of this video to find out the basic hair care products that are going to nourish your hair and are going to give you that healthy hair that you're looking for. Now let's get into it. Coming up at number 1 are detanglers. I know. Do you know, earlier on in my journey I never used any detanglers, but it's really important, and I think you will really need this, especially when you get to a point that your hair is getting long. Like, it's just a lot of hassle detangling your hair. And I actually got this as a PR from one brand known as Fairy Favorite on Instagram. She sent me this product, and I'm not going to lie to you, that was the first time I was using a detangling product on my hair, and it did so well for my hair. So I think every single person needs a detangling product. It just makes your wash day easy, and it makes your hair more manageable for you as you go through the process of your wash day. Remember that you must not use this exact product. There are so many detanglers out there from different brands, so feel free to do your own research and then go with whatever detangler that falls within your budget. I also have 2 other options for you. If in case you don't have money to get a detangler, you can use aloe vera as a prep treatment. Yeah, that reminds me, when we talk about doing a prep treatment, it involves using detanglers or other options like aloe vera or flaxseed gel, where you use it to, detangle your hair to make the process of your wash day very easy for you, like I said earlier. So this is a prep treatment. If you keep hearing people talking about prep treatment all the time, that is what it means. So if you cannot get your hands on a detangler from any brand, then I believe you can get your hands on aloe vera or flaxseed gel. You can just get a raw aloe vera, extract the gel from it, blend it, and then use it to detangle your hair. And for the flaxseed, you get the seeds, you boil it. If you want more details on that, I think you should do your research here on YouTube, because I don't have a video on that yet. So you can do your research on YouTube and see how people are able to extract gel from flaxseed seeds. So you can check that out and decide which one is the best option for you. Coming at number 2 is shampoo. Oh my god, this cannot be overemphasized. We all know how important a shampoo is in our routine. The primary purpose of a shampoo is to help you to cleanse your scalp, to remove all that buildup and give way for your hair to grow in a very healthy way. So every single one of you need a shampoo. This one is a non-negotiable for me. Like, you have to have it. It's really important. Unless you believe that myth that people say dirty hair makes your hair to grow. Please don't listen to that. Dirty hair will never make your hair to grow. The more clean your scalp is, the better your hair is able to grow. So do not believe in that. Get yourself a good cleansing shampoo, a shampoo that is going to remove all that buildup from products. And always remember to use sulfate-free shampoo. The reason why we advise you to use sulfate-free shampoo is to ensure that your hair is not too dry. There are some shampoos that have sulfate in it that are too dry for your hair, and when it comes to natural hair, it's important that your hair is not too dry. So stay away from any shampoo that has sulfate in it, because they're going to be too dry for your hair, and that is not good for you. Coming at number 3 is a conditioner. This is an example of a conditioner. You can either get a conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a hair mask. They all perform the same tasks. And if you want more details on this particular topic, I'm going to link a video I made in the description. It's going to give you more insight, more explanation, and more understanding on why I said a conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a hair mask all perform the same function. Every one of you need a deep conditioner or a conditioner. It's really important. This helps your hair to be able to retain moisture. It helps to repair your hair from damages like excessive heat or color damage. Like, there's just a lot that deep conditioning does for you that is really good for your hair. So I recommend that each and every one of you should get yourself a conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a hair mask. Coming at at number 4 is a leave-in conditioner. This is an example of a leave-in conditioner. I want you to have it at the back of your mind that with all the brands I'm showing you, feel free to go with the brands that are affordable for you. I am not in any way saying you must get this exact product. I'm only showing you an example of what I am trying to explain to you guys. So this is an example of a leave-in conditioner. There are so many other brands out there, so feel free to go with anyone that falls within your budget. A leave-in conditioner is really important because it helps to moisturize your hair. You don't only use it on wash days. During the course of the week, it's important that you re-moisturize your hair because our hair tends to lose moisture really fast. So it is imperative for you to always re-moisturize your hair twice a week so that your hair is able to retain a little bit of moisture and it's not too dry, thereby leading to a lot of breakage. Do make sure to get you a leave-in conditioner because it's very important in your routine. Coming at number 5, the last but not the least, is oils and butters. This is an example of a butter and this is an example of an oil. So for butters, there are some people that use butters as leave-in conditioners. You can do that as well. For me, I prefer to use butters as sealants, or I prefer to use them as a hairstyling product, you know, like hairdressing pomade or something like that. You might be someone that prefer to use your butters as leave-in conditioner or a hairstyling product or sealant, whichever one that works for you. If you cannot get your hands on a butter, then I believe you can get your hands on any oil. This one is a castor oil from TGIN, but you can get your hands on any oil, be it coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, yes, any oil of your choice. But please don't go and use palm oil or red oil in your kitchen. That one is not allowed. That's not what I said. So get yourself a butter or an oil so that you can be able to seal in moisture whenever you use your leave-in conditioner. Please remember that oils are not moisturizers for you. Oils are sealants. Like I explained, oils are sealants. Oils will never moisturize your hair. They only help you to retain moisture in your hair by sealing in that moisture when you use them after applying your leave-in conditioner. Don't let anybody tell you that oils are moisturizers, because they are not. On this channel, we create a lot of content around natural hair, be it how to care for it, tips on how to grow, and also hairstyling tutorials. We also create beauty content and lifestyle. So if that sounds like what you want to see, please subscribe so that you can see more of me. Just to remind you guys, please do make sure to check out the video on essential hair tools because I promise it's going to be of a huge help to you. Once again, thank you for staying to the end of my video and I'll see you guys in the next. Okay, bye.